Hello and welcome. In today's QuickStart tutorial, we'll show you around the Items and Inventory section of Seller Center. Let's get started. First things first, let's log into Seller Center. Where we land is where we'll start our tour. This is the Manage Items page, which you can find under Items and Inventory in the left-hand menu. Think of your Manage Items page as a way to get a clear view of your entire marketplace business. It's also where you'll find vital information about your items. In the top area labeled Insights is where you can see how many items are published, unpublished, still processing, or have errors. It's important to watch these statuses closely. If your items unpublish or have errors, be sure to click into them to get more details and see how to fix them. Underneath this section, you'll see a list of all your items. Inside this list, you'll see the item's status, life cycle, price, category, and if it's won the buy box. If your item unpublishes, find out why by hovering over the Info button. You can customize this list by applying filters such as Filter by Price or Filter by Item Name, or by selecting from the Options menu. Finally, if you click Download, you can export the page, buy box report, catalog, or return rules overrides. The last thing we'd like to highlight is the 3 update buttons. Anytime you select an item in the table, it will activate the ability to update its price, inventory, or retire the item. Use these buttons to make quick and easy changes to your items. The next stop on our tour is the Add New Items page. Here is where you can choose how to add your items. You can either add them one at a time, via API, or in bulk using the Setup by Match or Full Item Spec method. To learn more about how to add your items, simply click the Quick Help button in the corner and search for items. Now let's look at the Feed Status page. Think of this page as a receipt for your uploads. Whenever you add items, promotions, inventory, prices, or lag times, go here to get a status update. Speaking of status, let's talk about what each one means. Processed means the feed went through and all looks good. Processing means our systems are still at work and need a bit more time. Finally, an error status means there was an issue or two with the upload. If you have an error, no problem. Just click Download Errors to get details about the error and how to fix it. Finally, let's talk about our bulk updates pages. On each page, you can update a specific part of your items such as inventory, lag times, or price in large batches versus one at a time. Inside each page, you'll find a Download Spec button. Every time you'd like to complete a bulk action, be sure to download the appropriate spec file. For example, let's pretend you'd like to update prices for multiple items. In this case, you'd go to the Bulk Price Updates page, download and fill out the spec, upload it, and submit the file. Don't forget, every time you upload a spec, you can track its status by going to the Feed Status page. And that's it! Thank you for watching this QuickStart tutorial. As always, if you need an extra hand, please check out our QuickStart guides, search Seller Help, or contact Partner Support for assistance.